And welcome back. The ladies of the Senior Center are here today, Shirley and Cheryl. And we're first going to talk to you, Cheryl, because the primary reason that you two are here today is really for AgeWell Senior Services. And we're going to talk about how folks can help out with that.
Yes.
But first, we're going to get to you. Welcome. Always good to see both of you ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You have got some couple events that are coming up, some fun ones.
Yeah, well, you know, we always get gifts from our kids.
Yes.
And a lot of our seniors are getting gifts like the cell phone. These nice fancy iPhones and Androids. Here, Mom and Dad, here you go. Okay, thank you, son. And then you're sitting there going, I don't know how to work this. So we have instructors that are coming in and they'll do one-on-one training with you.
That's fantastic.
Even to just like show you how to get on the internet or putting contacts into your phone, things like that. So the next one, we're trading off between Android and iPhones, but the next one is going to be Android, and it's on June 5th.
That's great. I think that's really helpful.
1 to 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to sign up because they have very small classes and they want to be able to.
Shirley needs help with that. You're going to help Shirley.
Always.
I'm the first in line.
She's always, I can't handle this, fix this, do this, I don't know. And she asks me.
Why is this picture upside down on my phone?
She asks me, and I'm going, oh my gosh. And we're becoming more involved with UCI doing the research projects. We have one here. Do you have difficulty moving your arms? And we have this Dr. Vicki Chan. She's a doctor in physical therapy, and she's doing a research project on moving your upper arms. So this is
that like if somebody has something wrong with them, or just in general
if
can tell something
pain,
about
it? Maybe after post-surgery, or you just have difficulty moving your arms.
And you were telling me they're doing motion capture to do this, and it really shows.
Absolutely. So this is a fun thing. So you need to come to the Senior Center and look at these projects. Another one we have in there is on aromatherapy and how it affects your memory. And they're doing this research project.
I've heard of that one. In fact, I believe we had that doctor on.
Dr. Leon?
Yes, we did have him on. Yes.
Well, he came and gave a great presentation last week on your sensory systems and how it affects your memory.
Yeah.
And vision and hearing is probably the ones people know most about, but the one that surprised us was chewing.
Yeah. Chewing. I wouldn't thought that. I know scent is really huge.
Sense of smell. And sense of smell is one of the first things that they recognize as probably having a problem with memory.
Yeah.
And so they're doing this aromatherapy. I'm going to sign up for that one. That sounds like
With me,
fun.
like I told him, I go bacon, the scent of bacon, I'm there.
Oh, that's right. That's right, you did say that. And we also have our ongoing project with UCI with all of us. And that's where they're trying to capture a lot of the, 1 million people they're trying to get from the United States. And there's 15 clinics in the United States, and we're so fortunate to have UCI just down the street involved at our center, and they're capturing they're doing lab work in DNA, and they're trying to discover things.
Yeah, how different diseases affect different DNA groups of
individualized health. So, come down to our center and look on our health table, and you'll see all these programs that are going on. It's exciting.
Yeah, and I know you were just up there. There's such nice people up there. They're so helpful.
Very nice.
I know one girl who has no problems lifting her arms.
Yes, I know, that's true. Yes. All right, AgeWell provides so much services to folks, a lot of it free of charge. But the money has to come from somewhere, and to be honest, you guys do a couple major fundraisers each year.
Yes.
You have the senior prom, which helps with Meals on Wheels, and then you do your big event, your signature event. But throughout the year, you get away from the holiday times, and people kind of forget giving to a lot of different things.
Right.
But you folks, you help year round, right?
We help year-round, we save lives, we have phenomenal resources, and AgeWell Senior Services right now is doing their big push, their big spring give.
Yeah.
And so AgeWell has case management, the non-emergency medical transportation, our large Meals on Wheels program, the congregate meals at the senior centers. And so we're never on the headlines of the newspapers, you know, but we're always in the forefront of helping people and saving lives and being a great resource for the seniors of this community. So we're asking people in the community to join us in our spring give, and there's 3 ways that you can do that to help us out. Online, you can give at myagewell.org, or by the phone, and I think our phone number is up there. It's 949-855-8033. You can also walk into the senior center, and we'll be able to help you with envelopes and with the give.
Right.
But AgeWell is important in this community, and I believe everybody understands what we do. But we just need your help. We need your help to continue the services that we do now.
Right.
You know, for the first time in the history of the United States, there are more seniors than there are children.
Wow.
The first time in the history of the United States. We're living longer, you know, with medical, which is great. People are having less children. But with that, living longer, some of the seniors are going to need more help.
Right.
And so that's what AgeWell does. So we're not going away. We're here to help in the community, but we need your help also to help us to serve the seniors that are so deserved in this community. Our Meals on Wheels program is huge. We save lives all the time on our Meals on Wheels program. So with your charitable hearts, keep us in mind this spring. Like you said, Ken, you know, I know a lot of people support the Senior Center and AgeWell at Christmas time, and we're so appreciative of that. We truly are. But we need your help now also.
And, you know, we've talked about giving in general. It's always good, whatever you like to do and like to give to. But when you give locally, you know where the money is going. There's no guesswork on that. And I know people can set up even reoccurring gifts, maybe like once a month or whatever it might be.
Whatever is convenient and easy for you, AgeWell will help you out.
Yeah.
It's just that we are, like I said, AgeWell is located right in the center of this community. We're a part of the community, and we're helping the seniors of this community. So with your giving hearts, please, please, again, think about us and think about AgeWell, and help us out if you can.
How can you say no to these 2 ladies?
How do you say no? How can you say no?
Yes.
How do you say no to helping seniors and helping people who need your help?
I agree. So go ahead and help them out, and you can give them a call. The number I had up on the screen is the actual Florence Sylvester number. You can always call that,
Absolutely.
and then they can get you there. But you know, you're right. You're not. People know about you all that often. Beyond here, you're not in the headlines, as you said. Well, Cheryl was a few years ago.
Yeah, but that's different.
We won't talk about that.
That's
the Canadian papers. But seriously, help them out, and go down there if you've never been. It's just right down the street at Moulton Plaza, and they offer so much stuff down there. It's incredible. We didn't go into a lot of it today, but really, it's incredible. If you're someone who maybe a little bit of loneliness or whatever it might be, you won't be lonely down there.
That's right.
You can have lunch, you can have fun, you can have all kinds of stuff.
You can volunteer, you can help us out, you can wash Cheryl's car if you really want to.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah.
All right, it needs it, right? Yes, so does mine. We'll bring them all there. All right, ladies, thank you very much.
Thank
Always
you.
good to see you.
Thank you.
Take one of these wonderful pastries here.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back.
May know AgeWell for delivering life-saving Meals on Wheels to homebound seniors. But did you know they keep seniors active and engaged at 10 modern centers? Serve nutritious congregate meals amid friendly surroundings. Transport seniors safely to and from appointments. And provide much-needed equipment and other essential services. Now, this vital nonprofit organization needs your support to sustain its mission. This is AgeWell Senior Services. Won't you make it yours?